All right, the final example for today. 7/8 of the Tartar horde rode horses. There were 140,000 in the horde. How many did not ride horses? And I've been doing this problem this is my 18th year with this same problem. And I still haven't looked up who the Tartar horde is. I think it's somewhere in Eastern Europe, or it could be Asia even. But I'm thinking Eastern Europe. That's what I'm thinking. Back in the Middle Ages, if they're riding horses, because it was more recent, they'd probably be riding in tanks. But anyway, I should look it up so I have more knowledge for future students. But anyway, 7/8 of the Tartar horde rode horses. Okay, so a fraction of a group has a characteristic. Again, anytime you see that structure, that's how you can handle it. So if I do the chart way, we have ratio, actual. All right, what's going to go in my category here?
Tartar horde.
The Tartar horde. Very good. Spelled T-H. All right. Again, you're free to abbreviate. The purpose of this is to organize the information, put up what you need to put up in order to organize. Now, what would the characteristic of the horde be?
Rode horse.
Rode horses. And then, what would the other category be? Not ride, or maybe walk. I mean, it doesn't take big not ride.
Well, who knows? They could be riding tanks.
Maybe they're crawling. I don't know. Maybe they're tired.
Maybe it could be like.
You know what? Instead of a horse, I'm gonna crawl.
Maybe they just sex.
Maybe the other 1/8 are riding dogs. Maybe they got some big dogs. I don't know. But 7/8 rode horses. So notice here, once I get my categories filled in, characteristic, not characteristic, total category, 7/8 rode horses. So the characteristic that is happening, which is riding horses, goes with the first number. The category goes with the second number. All right? And if 7/8 rode horses, that means 1/8 did not ride horses. So just like that, we can fill in the ratio column very easily. We continue on. It says 140,000 were in the horde. Are they telling us how many rode horses, how many didn't ride horses, how many were in the horde? The total. 140,000 were in the horde. So 140,000 goes here. And then it says how many did not ride horses. So they're asking us for that number there. Okay, so be very careful to put things where they belong if you're going to do the ratio chart technique. All right? And then if I cross multiply, again, it just creates a fraction. 1/8 equals x over 140,000. This product, 8x, equals that product, 140,000. We divide both sides by 8 to get x equals. Let's see, it'd be 1. What?
500.
Are you just guessing?
No.
What is it?
It is in fact
17,500.
17,500?
Yeah.
I thought I heard a 2. 17,500 did not ride horses.
Well, I was doing a lot.
All right, 17,500 dog riders apparently, if we're going with my
Great Danes.
Great Danes.
They're probably like Irish wolfhounds or something big like
What was
that.
the answer?
17,500.
Irish
Great Dane Mastiffs.
Could be Newfoundland.
Could be. All right, now real quick, same problem using the other technique, okay? So 7/8 of the Tartar horde rode horses, right? That means 1/8 of the Tartar horde did not ride horses. Right? So again, if I'm doing fraction technique, there's the equation they gave me. Here's the equation I made, which is the not category. 7/8 did ride horses, 1/8 did not ride horses. And it says 140,000 were in the horde, so I'm going to put the 140,000 there. Once again, it's just 140,000 divided by 8 then, which is 17,500. You get the same answer. Obviously, it was easier the second time around there because I already worked it out. Just like it was easier the second time around the first time because I already worked it out. Both techniques work 100% of the time. You pick the technique that resounds with you there, the one that works better for you. All right? And let's say you want to do it this way and you start getting the wrong answer again and again, try this other technique, maybe get the right answer with that. Get to a point where you're getting the right answer for a technique that you know how to use well. That is your goal.